Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be doing another Valentine set with acrylics and red gel polish. We all know that it's the Valentine season. So I started this set by applying the nail primer, and now I'll be applying the acrylics. I'll be doing a V-tip design with red gel polish today. So sit back, relax and enjoy this video. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, nail product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to this channel to become part of the family. And while you're subscribing, kindly turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I'm very particular about the way I lay my acrylic application. I don't like doing too much of filing after, so I always like to get at least an almost perfect acrylic application during the application process. So that's why I go through this process. A lot of people do the one bead application method. You can do it as well, but when I'm doing a long set, I just work with as many beads as possible. And I've also discovered that the more videos I record for my YouTube channel, the more perfect I get in my acrylic application. Now I know why people say practice makes perfect. So the more I practice, the more perfect my acrylic application becomes. If you're watching this video and you were struggling with your acrylic application, just keep practicing, don't get tired. Very soon you become very perfect at acrylic application. I think this is the third Valentine set I'll be doing, but it's the only acrylic set. Others are polygel set. I'll try to do one more acrylic set for Valentine before the Valentine finale comes. I'll appreciate it if you can watch this video till the end, as it helps my YouTube analytics. Thank you. I'd like to state this again, that the products you use for your nails during acrylic application really matters a lot. I've said that before and I'm saying it again. Your product matters a lot. Your acrylic powder and your acrylic monomer should be of good quality especially when you're still learning acrylic application. Some people think when they are learning, they don't need to buy good quality products because they just be practicing and be wasting it. They see it as wastage. They don't see it as a learning process. So if you are one of those that have that kind of mentality, kindly consider getting good quality products during training or when you're learning. I believe the kind of products you use will determine your learning period. If you use a good product, you're going to learn quickly and on time because you perfect your acrylic application on time. But when you use bad products, you struggle with that bad product for a longer time before you get perfect at the acrylic application. So I still believe that getting a good product is very important. Most of the acrylic powder I work with are my products, and if you're interested in getting them, you can send me a DM on Instagram. If you're also interested in doing a one-on-one training with me, you can send me a DM on Instagram.
Empire.
Special type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, do mommy anytime where I stay with you. I want your heart, your soul, and your whole body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love. I go tell them, say lie, no be lie, yeah. I fit to spend all my money on you. I spend a couple million on you. I give you love until you say don't do, yeah. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my baby. Anytime when you need me come through, my side, wale. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my baby. My shorty, oh Ricky, my baby, Nkan to bafe, lo ma get stuck on my lobe, ewo, body on jet, ataro do mo ide pepe dem ha, toyi tomato, kosingo be, le pa jo pepe, rempe jo wo ma se mi le she, yeah.
Glitterspolish Empire.
Type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, do mommy anytime where I stay with you. I want your heart, your soul, and your whole body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love. I go tell them, say lie, no be lie, yeah. I fit to spend all my money on you. I spend a couple million on you. I give you love until you say don't do, yeah. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my baby. Anytime when you need me come through, my side, wale. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my baby. My shorty, oh Ricky, my baby, Nkan to bafe, lo ma get stuck on my lobe, ewo, body on jet.
So this is what my acrylic application looks like before filing. Now I'll file the set and I'll start doing the V-tip design on the set with this red gel polish by Venalisa. I just love Venalisa products because they are highly pigmented. I usually use my tiny brush to do the drawing, but I'm trying to see if I can use the gel polish brush to draw it, but I can see it's not working. So I'll be using my tiny brush to draw the V tips so I can get it properly. I don't want to make any mistake. Because Venalisa gel polish is highly pigmented, I'll be doing these V tips. I'll be doing it just once. I won't want the V tips to be looking perfect. If you're still watching this video and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so now. Just click on the red button which says subscribe below, and you're already subscribed. You can also turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and also share to anyone you think might be interested in learning something new. My videos premiere on this channel on Mondays and Thursdays by 8 p.m. West African time. I also upload reviews on Saturdays by 8 p.m. West African time. If you're interested in watching my content, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload new videos. You can also connect with me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok at Glitterspolish. Thanks for watching today's video. See you next time. Bye.
Type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, do mommy, anytime where I stay with you. I want your heart, your soul, and your whole body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love. I go tell them, say lie, no be lie, yeah. I fit to spend all my money on you. I spend a couple million on you. I give you love until you say don't do, yeah. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my baby. Anytime when you need me come through, my sare, wale. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my baby. My shorty, oh Ricky, my baby, Nkan to bafe, lo ma get stuck on my lobe, ewo, body on che, ataro do mo ide pepe dem ma, toyi tomato, kosingo be, le pa jo pepe, rempe jo wo ma se mi le she, yeah.
Glitterspolish Empire.